Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to create an engaging Instagram stories with only iPhone. First thing we have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and let's just jump right away into the story section by slide your screen into the right side, or you just need to go click this plus button right here. And you will have an access into the Instagram story camera, and you just need to find the picture that you already prepared to be your Instagram story content. And here I already got one. So actually, to create an engaging Instagram story, it can be diverse. You can just use your own style to make your Instagram post or story be more interesting. But the things that I would like to give or show to you is using this tools, which is the features that already provided by the Instagram. And after that, you just need to go visit the GIF here, and you just need to take a look what you want to use. So let's say here I will let you find a flower, and there will be like showing up a lot of flower GIF that you can use for your Instagram story content. So let's say here I will let you have a multiple GIF here so that my content will look more colorful. Just add as much as you want here, guys. And after you're done adding and adjusting it, you can also use another features, which is the draw tools. We just go click this three small dots on the top right corner, go click this draw. You can just choose this pen, and you can choose the color that you want to use. Adjusting the brush size in the left here, you can make it like smaller, you can also make it the bigger, just adjusting the right size. And after that, start to scratching your story sections. And here is the result. So as I say and I told to you, creating an interesting content will be diverse. It's just depending to your styles, but this is the tools that you can use on Instagram to make your Instagram story look more interesting. So whenever you're done, go click this done button and add it into your story. And that's the way how to make interesting and engaging Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.